Nina Dobrev, the talented actress known for her role as Elena Gilbert in the hit supernatural drama series The Vampire Diaries, captivated audiences with her stunning physique and undeniable on-screen presence. Her journey to achieving such a remarkable level of fitness was not an overnight success, but a result of consistent hard work and dedication. To embody the role of a young woman thrust into a world of vampires and supernatural beings, Dobrev embraced a rigorous fitness regimen that transformed her body and prepared her for the physical demands of the show. This regimen included a variety of workouts designed to enhance her strength, flexibility, and endurance. Her dedication to fitness extended beyond mere aesthetics. It was about building strength, endurance, and the agility to portray a character navigating a world filled with action and adventure. Dobrev's training sessions often included high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which helped her build cardiovascular endurance and burn fat efficiently. Dobrev's fitness journey was not about quick fixes or fad diets. She understood that true fitness and health come from a sustainable lifestyle. Her approach was holistic, focusing on long-term health benefits rather than short-term gains. It was a testament to the power of a balanced approach that encompassed regular exercise, a nutritious diet, and a healthy mindset. Her diet was rich in whole foods, including lean proteins, fresh vegetables, and whole grains, which provided her with the necessary nutrients to fuel her intense workouts and maintain her energy levels. By sharing her fitness secrets, Dobrev inspires fans and fitness enthusiasts alike to prioritize their well-being and unlock their full potential. She often shares her workout routines and healthy recipes on social media, encouraging her followers to adopt a healthier lifestyle. This essay will delve into the specifics of Nina Dobrev's workout and diet plan, providing a comprehensive look at the strategies she employed to achieve her enviable physique and maintain her energy levels throughout the demanding filming schedule of The Vampire Diaries. From her favorite exercises to her go-to meals, we will explore how Dobrev's commitment to fitness has not only shaped her body, but also her career and personal life. Beyond the gym, Dobrev also incorporates activities like yoga and meditation into her routine to maintain mental clarity and reduce stress. These practices help her stay grounded and focused, which is essential for balancing the pressures of a busy acting career. Her influence extends beyond the screen, as she frequently participates in wellness events and speaks at conferences, sharing her journey and motivating others to lead healthier lives. Dobrev's holistic approach to fitness and wellness serves as a powerful reminder that true health encompasses both the body and the mind. In conclusion, Nina Dobrev's fitness journey is a testament to the power of dedication, balance, and a holistic approach to health. Her story is not just about achieving a certain look for a role, but about embracing a lifestyle that promotes overall well-being. By following her example, anyone can take steps towards a healthier, more fulfilling life. Nina Dobrev's approach to fitness extended far beyond simply hitting the gym. She believed that physical exercise was just one piece of the puzzle. She understood that true well-being stemmed from a holistic approach that addressed all aspects of her physical and mental health. This meant integrating practices that nurtured her mind, body, and spirit. This meant finding a sustainable balance between challenging workouts, nourishing meals, and adequate rest and recovery. She knew that pushing her body to its limits required equally dedicated efforts in other areas to ensure she remained in peak condition. Dobrev recognized that neglecting any of these pillars would hinder her progress and compromise her overall health. She was meticulous about tracking her fitness goals and ensuring she was making progress in a balanced manner. Her commitment to a holistic approach was evident in her dedication to both physical and mental wellness practices. She often spoke about the importance of mental health and how it was just as crucial as physical fitness. Alongside her rigorous workout regimen, she prioritized activities that promoted relaxation, reduced stress, and enhanced her mental clarity. This included mindfulness practices, regular massages, and spending time in nature. Whether it was practicing yoga, spending time in nature, or simply taking a few moments for herself each day, Dobrev understood the importance of nurturing her mind as well as her body. She often shared that these moments of tranquility were essential for her to recharge and stay focused. This balanced approach was crucial in helping her maintain her energy levels, focus, and overall well-being throughout the demanding filming schedule. She made it a point to stay hydrated, take breaks to stretch, and practice deep breathing exercises to keep her stress levels in check. Nina also found value in journaling about her day, which helped her reflect on her experiences and set intentions for the future. Cooking healthy meals was another way she ensured she was fueling her body with the right nutrients. Additionally, she believed in the power of social connections and hobbies. Spending time with friends, laughing, and engaging in activities she loved were all part of her holistic approach to wellness. By embracing this comprehensive approach, Nina Dobrev not only achieved her fitness goals, but also maintained a sense of joy and fulfillment in her life. Her journey serves as a reminder that true well-being is multifaceted and requires attention to both the body and the mind. Cardiovascular exercise formed the foundation of Nina Dobrev's workout routine. She understood that regular cardio was essential for burning calories, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting her metabolism. Dobrev incorporated a variety of cardio exercises into her routine to keep things interesting and challenge her body in different ways. Running was a staple in her cardio regimen. Whether she was hitting the pavement or logging miles on the treadmill, Dobrev made sure to get her heart rate up and her blood pumping. Running not only helped her burn calories and improve her cardiovascular fitness, but also provided a great way to relieve stress and clear her head. In addition to running, Dobrev enjoyed other forms of cardio, such as dancing, swimming, and cycling. She found that incorporating a variety of activities kept her workouts engaging and prevented boredom. Section 4. Strength training. Sculpting a lean and strong physique. While cardio was crucial for overall fitness, Nina Dobrev knew that strength training was essential for building lean muscle mass, increasing her metabolism, and sculpting her toned physique. She incorporated strength training into her routine several times a week, focusing on both compound exercises that worked multiple muscle groups simultaneously and isolation exercises that targeted specific muscles. Her strength training routine included a mix of body weight exercises, free weights, and resistance machines. She focused on compound movements like squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows, which engaged multiple muscle groups and helped her build overall strength and power. To target specific areas like her arms, back, and core, Dobrev incorporated exercises like bicep curls, tricep extensions, lat pull-downs, and planks. She varied her workouts regularly to prevent plateaus and ensure that she was continually challenging her muscles. Section 5. Flexibility and balance. Pilates and yoga for grace. Recognizing the importance of flexibility and balance, Nina Dobrev incorporated Pilates and yoga into her fitness regimen. Pilates, with its focus on core strength, posture, and controlled movements, helped her develop a long, lean physique and improve her overall body awareness. Yoga, on the other hand, enhanced her flexibility, balance, and mental focus. Dobrev found that Pilates and yoga complemented her other workouts perfectly, helping to improve her range of motion, prevent injuries, and reduce muscle soreness. The mind-body connection emphasized in both practices also appealed to her, promoting relaxation, reducing stress, and enhancing her overall well-being. She often started her day with a yoga session to center herself and prepare for the day ahead. Section 6. Variety is key, keeping workouts engaging and effective. One of the secrets to Nina Dobrev's fitness success was her commitment to keeping her workouts varied and engaging. She knew that a monotonous routine could quickly lead to disinterest and a lack of progress. She understood that repeating the same exercises day after day could lead to boredom, plateaus, and a lack of motivation. This is a common issue many people face when they stick to a single type of workout for too long. To keep things interesting and challenge her body in new ways, Dobrev incorporated a wide range of activities into her routine. In addition to running, she made sure to mix in different forms of exercise to target various muscle groups and keep her mind engaged. Strength training, Pilates, and yoga were staples in her regimen. Each of these activities offered unique benefits, from building muscle and improving flexibility to enhancing mental focus and reducing stress. She enjoyed activities like kickboxing, swimming, dancing, and hiking. These not only provided physical benefits, but also kept her workouts fresh and exciting. Kickboxing provided a high-intensity workout that improved her cardiovascular fitness, coordination, and self-defense skills. It was a great way to release stress and build confidence. Swimming offered a low-impact workout that was easy on her joints while still providing a great cardio challenge. The resistance of the water helped to tone muscles without putting strain on her body. Dancing was a fun and energetic way to burn calories and improve her coordination. It allowed her to express herself creatively while getting a full-body workout. Hiking allowed her to enjoy the outdoors while getting in a great workout. The varied terrain and natural beauty made it a perfect way to stay fit and connected to nature. Additionally, Nina often participated in group fitness classes. These classes not only provided a structured workout, but also a sense of community and motivation from fellow participants. By setting clear fitness goals and planning her workouts in advance, she ensured that she stayed on track and made consistent progress. Keeping a fitness journal helped her to monitor her achievements and stay motivated. Finally, she understood the importance of rest and recovery. Incorporating stretching routines and relaxation techniques into her schedule helped her body to recover and stay injury-free. By maintaining a balanced lifestyle and incorporating a variety of workouts, Nina Dobrev was able to stay fit, healthy, and motivated. Her approach serves as an inspiration for anyone looking to keep their fitness journey engaging and effective.